In and out. Made another $460. Currently up $6,000 on the day. KXIN. This one is going to get unhalted now, team, in 20 seconds. I am moving towards my other account, and I'm going to be looking for a bounce play on KXIN right on towards around this 350 all the way up towards around 365-ish mark. So again, KXIN, I'm looking for a quick pullback on a lower shadow to get filled on this play to be able to make some cash and be able to make some money. So KXIN should be getting unhalted momentarily. This is going to be coming out in 3, 2, 1. KXIN, all eyes on it, and it's live. KXIN, no pullback. No pullback yet on KXIN. Let's see if it does get that quick little dump. Right now, KXIN is still trying to move on up. Let's see if it gets that quick little crack. VWAP is back down towards around the 358. Let's see. I'm trying to get filled if this thing does get a quick little dump back on down. So far, every single stock that has gapped on up has come crashed on down as well. Here, I'm going to start trying to get some fills. I got filled 760 shares. Barely anything at 367. I barely got anything filled, but I did get 760 shares. My very tippity-toppity order all the way at 760 shares right there. So that barely was anything. I did not get the rest of my orders filled. Here's the rest of my orders, guys. I didn't get those filled at all. But I did get 760 shares filled, which is at least something, right? At least that's something on this play. And this play right now is, again, making a little bit of money at this moment. So making a little bit of money. So I did get at least that filled. And let's see if this holds on up. I'm actually going to sell that. I'm going to sell that and take my $274 profit. So far, again, we've talked about every single top gainer this morning. Top gainer this morning, KXIN, CCNC, BIMI. It's not like these are shocking. Just got filled on my first order. 1,000 shares got filled at 440. Let's see if I'm going to get filled more. Just got filled on 4,000 shares. Just got filled at 4,000 shares total. Total amount right now is at 438 cost basis. 438 cost basis, total amount of shares. Currently up right now. Still watching for this stock to be able to get a nice big bounce play. Going back, KXIN right here. Looking for this one to be able to get a bounce play back on up. Just got filled on the hard red candle. That's what I wanted. I want to see if this stock can get back up towards around the 460 range. Right now, I will look for a couple more shares if I can get filled back down towards the lower 430s or so. But right now, this is a play. I'm currently up right now only about $70, looking for a rebreak of 440. And again, VWAP area for the bounce is all the way back down towards around 420. But I am in on 4K shares, looking for a rebreak back up towards around the 460-ish mark to see if I can be able to make any sort of big-time cash and big-time profit. So stock is, again, still getting a little bit crazy at this moment, looking for that rebreak. 430, it's still, again, right in that 430 mark. The reason why I'm going in right here, as you guys know, is because we just had a hard pullback looking for the bounce play on up. Just got filled on total amount of shares right here. Just got filled on my big amount of shares, going again for a big entry here. I'm going on a big entry at this time, guys. The reason why I'm going so big at this moment is because we are hitting this VWAP area, expecting a bounce soon. I'm in at a total of 431. 431 cost basis at this time. 11,000 shares is what I'm in. Hitting the VWAP at this moment, looking for a bounce back up towards around 450. 11,000 shares total, cost basis 431. Here are all my orders, here are my entries right here, so you guys can see absolutely everything. Looking to see if this thing can get back up towards around the 450-ish mark to start making some profit. So right now, again, still watching for this one to get that nice bounce play back on up. Big shares at this moment. Seeing again, we're going to be able to get any sort of nice profit. See if this thing can move on up. There's 440. Nice rip and run. Nice job, baby. Let's go, baby. So again, going to start locking in a little bit of gains right here. Locked in about 6,000. Absolutely beautiful so far. That was awesome. Still, we want to see if this thing's going to get back above that 450-ish mark and see if this thing can start climbing. Currently up $2,000 on the day. Locking in a little bit more, $2,500. Let's let this last $2,500 start moving its way on up. Here we go. Perfect little bounce play. 469, baby. Let's lock it out. $2,424 off that beautiful bounce play. Mwah, mwah. VWAP, we love you for a reason, baby. That's the VWAP bounce play right there. That's what we love to see. Perfect bounce right off the VWAP, 11,000 shares right off the bottom. And that's, again, a nice strong bounce play going from 530 all the way back on down towards 418. Bounce play back on up towards around that 460 mark. That's why we use the VWAP right there. Here's all my order entries. Here's my exits so you guys can see everything. $2,424 in profit. Woo! So again, that's the way we like to kick it off. Little bit of a bigger trade there. Dek, you're going a little bit wild. It's only Monday. Calm down, buddy. Oh man, I'm fired up for today. I needed, again, some nice big gains. $2,400. Nice, job right there. This one is starting to get a little bit wild here. That's what we wanted. Again, we want to start seeing that parabolic move. Parabolic move means, again, it basically goes straight on up. Holt area is at 837 right now. We don't want to see any sort of red candles. We want this thing to just go straight on up, and we say, what in the world is happening? That's where the stock would get halted, and right around 11 o'clock is usually when we start seeing that happen. Stock is starting to push really hard right here. I'm actually going to order in on 1,000 shares. I'm going to order in on 1,000 shares right now, guys, just in case this one goes all the way up to $8 plus. So I am in on just 1,000 shares in case this one start going parabolic. I can always add to that if I wanted to. I'm in on 1,000 shares. Let's see how much money this one's going to do for me. Right now it's still going. I'm going to add another 1,000 shares. I'm in right now at 774 cost basis. I told you we might go parabolic, baby. I told you we might go a little parabolic, baby. KXIN. Still trying to move. LULD is at 850 at this moment. In on 2,000 shares. Right now, the stock's trying to get some hype. Let's see if it can keep on going. Woo! Hop on the train, ladies and gentlemen. We're going straight up to Chowtown. Right now, KXIN, it's getting a nice move. I'm going to lock in my profit starting off right here, though. Woo! So I locked in my profit. Just made another $600 on the day. Not too bad. Absolutely awesome. So not too bad. There's the parabolic move. I was hoping we could get halted there. Right? I was hoping we could get halted there at the moment. We did not get halted. Almost up $3,000. Was able to add another $600 in profit. I liked it. That was a nice little trade right there. Nice little trade. Looks like, again, we're going back on this play. This play is still trying to get the hype towards it. This play is still, I'm going to do another 1,000. I'm in again on another 1,000 shares. I'm going another 1,000 shares here. And I'm going to add right here. I'm going 2,000 shares. I'm in on this play once again. 2,000 shares. Woo! KXIN, it's getting hot in here. So right now, the new hold area on this play is currently 923. I am in on this play, 881 at this moment. We just came up towards around $9. I'm in at 881, looking for the $9 breakout. So let's see if we're going to get that $9 break. It's definitely been trying. I'm in at 881 at this moment. If we don't get the $9 break soon, I am going to cancel out my order or, again, lock in my profit. It's right at $9. Come on, get that $9 break. If I see under $8.95, I'm selling. Whew, okay, what is that? Oh, I sold 1,000 shares. Excuse me, sold 1,000 shares right here. I'm currently down $162. Let's see if we get that $9 break still. I sold 1,000 shares. I'm actually going to re-add right here. I'm re-adding. Just ran up towards 937. Cost basis right now is 918. Re-adding. Stock is still going crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Currently up $570. Locking in 1,000 shares right here. Keep on going, baby. All the way up to $10 locking out. Locking out. Added another $2,000. We're at the tippity top and we're only halfway there, ladies and gentlemen. KXIN, 11 o'clock parabolic move. This is what we're talking about. Holt down area is 512. Holt down area is around 512. It's trying to hold the $7 mark. Next Holt area on the way up for MARPS is 835. So this stock does have room to run, because it has room to run all the way up to 835, which is a great sign for this play. So if you're interested, you could say to yourself, hey, I'll buy this play for, I'm going to go on it. MARPS, I'm going to go. MARPS, I'm long for an 835 run up. I'm in on this play at 788. I'm going to give it a chance to run up towards $8 plus. I'm in on it, 1,000 shares. 1,000 shares. Let's see if the stock's going to run. 838. I'm going to sell, take my profit. $460. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. So right now I took my profit. So right there, MARPS, in and out. Made another $460. Currently up $6,000 on the day. Woo! Let's go. So MARPS, absolutely beautiful. And again, we're just keep on, crushing. All we're doing is scalping. We're in and out. All we're doing so far is just scalping these plays, just in and out. You guys can, of course, see my P&L. P&L, MARPS got in at 788, out at 834 right there. So again, absolutely awesome. All I did was just run with a little bit of momentum.